watching my channel Untitled Production. In today's video I want to show you how to make a water heater. Now let's get started. Friends, to make this water heater I am using Peltier module. There is Peltier module which number is 12706. You can see this. Friend, I am using water block. There is water block. And I am also using a 12-volt water pump. Now let's start to make it. And there is heating side of Peltier module and there is cooling side. I am using this water block to heat the water. Friend, I am using thermal paste. There is thermal paste. Front Peltier module has been fixed, you can see this. Now let's time for connection. Front, to operate this I am using 12-volt adapter. There is 12-volt adapter. There is positive side of Peltier module and there is positive side of 12-volt adapter. I connect all these wires in parallel. You can see this. There is 12-volt wire, positive wire. Front, all connection has been done. Now let's time for testing. Front, at this time this water is cooled and Peltier has been on. You can see this. Now let's wait for 10 minutes. So friends, after 10 minutes you can see the result. Water has been heated. So friends, that's the project of my water heater. I hope you will enjoy this project. If you enjoy this project, subscribe, like and share. Have a great day.